Today, I will show you the buttons in the steering wheel. Some friends ask me how to set the voice button to the Apple CarPlay and also the phone keys, how to set it, the mode, or the next and previous button here. How to set this. Some friends says this button, when he press this button, it not work for Android screen. So like this, press it. Nothing here, nothing. So now I will show you the settings. Go to the factory. And vehicle here. Here, voice key selection. Now it's not used. This is the default setting, it's not used. So when you want to work with the Apple CarPlay, you should set to other options. These options: short press, open voice command. Here, long press, open navy. So I just want to work for the Siri. So I set this. Now I will show you. Now I have connected the Apple CarPlay here. For example, play the music. You can see you have the music, right? So everything is fine. Now I press this button. We just set it as short press. Open the music. Okay? Here. Once again. Open the maps. I like to find KFC.
One possibility is KFC Yahoo Shopping Center branch on Yinho Road number 100 to Yahoo Shopping Center FF2 in Zhuhai, less than a half kilometer to your west, and it gets 3.6 stars on Dianping. Wanna try that one?
Yes.
Great. I can call that location or get directions. Which would you like?
Get direction.
Getting directions to KFC Yahoo Shopping Center branch.
Here you can see that works very well.
Starting to KFC Yahoo Shopping Center branch.
When I press this button, it will go to the Siri. Here. About the phone call button, in fact, I have demo in the last video. You can watch the video I made in last time. You can go to my YouTube channel and click video. This one. This one talking about the phone key setting. Here. This one. In fact, it just go to the factory menu. Vehicle here. Phone key selection. This one. Now I set to original vehicle functions. So when my cell phone connect to original Bluetooth, when I press this button, it will pick up the phone for the OEM Bluetooth. If you want to this button work to Android screen, you should set to Android Bluetooth here. After that, you can pick up the phone by this button. Now my phone call is coming, right? Now I hit this button. 喂，听到吗？
可以听到。
yes. The next previous button. If you found the buttons not work, you can set to the track 2 here. Here you can see this button. See? Like this. It works, right? And of course in the music here, it will work like this. Here, it will work. For the mode button, go to the setting. You should set to enable. Only that the mode button, it can work. Here, it can switch the different mode. Here, just this.